Hi guys, this weekend we went to West Coast Radio Control and tried out the crawler course for the first time. My 10-year-old son was doing most of the driving and it was quite fun. The only problem we ran into was that the tow bar on my Defender kept getting stuck to everything. So I'll definitely remove that at some point. Probably sooner rather than later. I also reached my first 250 subscribers last week, so I'd like to thank everybody that's been part of the journey from the beginning of the year, that supported me, commented regularly on the channel, and just everyone that watched my videos. I'd like to do a shout out to a few people that has been supporting me from the beginning, and all of them has great channels with great videos. If you'd like to go check them out and support them. They are in no particular order: Panda Crawler 6x6, Alpen Crawler Austria, OG Radgro, RC Play Model, the Mind's Eye RC, RC Jodo, Fortis RC Adventures, and SC Redneck RC Productions. These are just a few of the guys that's been supporting me and helping me through my journey the past few months. There's a whole lot of other great channels out there as well, so please go and support them as much as possible. I hope you enjoy the course with us. Thank you for watching my video and enjoy the rest of your day.